Hi and welcome back to Pocket Tech. So today we are going to disassemble the Asus R558UQ, which is equipped with a Core i5 7th generation and coupled with a graphic card NVIDIA GeForce GT940MX. This laptop is also equipped with a 4 GB of RAM, which is clocked at 2400 MHz and with a 1 TB of hard drive. And it's also equipped with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, which is not that good, but still it's good for a mid-range gaming laptop. So let's get started. Use some prying tools to unlock the locks between the panels of the laptop. You can use a prying tool or either a ATM card or any card which can just pass through the small gaps. So here we can see you can get a little gap from the USB port. So sliding through there, I have just cut open a little part of it from the LED portion. So just slide the prying tool or the card, whatever you have, and just unclip the clips. So here I go all around unclipping the clips. And I just suddenly forgot that there is a hidden screw nearby the left hand side rubber. Near the left hand side rubber above the DVD bay. So just don't forget it. You have to remove that rubber, and removing the rubber we can see that there is a screw. So just remove that screw and you are ready to open it. So after opening it, firstly remove the battery, as as operating or removing any parts of the laptop may get damaged when battery is connected. So firstly remove the battery so avoid any damage. We can see here the battery which comes in this R558 Asus laptop is of 5000 mAh. It is a good capacity battery equipped with a i5 7th generation, which is a very ultra power saving processor. It just gives me around 8 hours of backup on using net and normal video browsing and all. So here you can see the RAM on this laptop is on board. You can see that's the i5 7th generation processor under the heatsink, and above that is the GPU, which is the GT GeForce 940MX. Gonna remove the DVD bay as it is just one screw up. So removing the screw, DVD bay comes out. Next up, we will try to remove the hard drive. For the removing the hard drive, we first have to remove the cables, which is just going above the hard drive. So unclipping one side, unclipping the left hand side of the cable, and unclipping the right hand side of the cable. Now we can remove the hard drive, but before removing the hard drive, we have to remove the board, which is a small board, and this reveals the board is equipped with a SD slot, a USB, and audio jack. Keeping it aside, here comes the hard drive out. So it's a 5400 RPM hard drive with 1 TB of storage and SATA 6 GB per second speed. After this, we can see where the Sonic Masters speakers of the Asus are lying. The processor, I cannot remove it right now because the laptop is in warranty, and it will be void if I remove that processor from its place, that is having a protective label there that says precaution, don't remove it. So before wrapping up, just boot up the laptop back so we can check whether it's booting up or not, or whether we have any issues assembling it back. So here we can see the laptop is completely perfect and it boots up quickly. So again, do like and subscribe. Bye bye for now.